I am Professor Ajay Shukla from Rafael BBA. Warmly welcomes you back to our digital class, Rafael BBA Digital Learning. And in semester 5, we are learning about the specialization subject, Advanced Marketing Management. Into that, I already have discussed about the challenges of brand. Today, I am going to discuss a new topic, that is the process of strategic brand management. All right, so let's start. So before proceeding further, let's discuss what is the brand management. We already have learned about the brand. What is brand? Brand is a name, term, sign, symbol of something that is particularly make your product and service different from all those of competitors. Now, what is brand management? Brand management is the function of marketing techniques to a specific product or product line or brand. It seeks to increase the product's perceived value. Remember this. It increases product's perceived value to the customer and thereby increase brand franchise and brand equity. It means it is the additional value, and particularly you need to manage it over a period of time. That is what we need to understand it as a brand management. And ultimately brand management is the function of the marketing technique to a specific product line or the brand. It seeks to increase the product's perceived value, as I just told you, and it is repeated, I think so please remember this. Again, let's now understand, and sometimes it is also called a strategic brand management process. Sometimes they are normally mention it as a brand management process, but the word strategic brand management process, it is very detailed topic, so try to understand it right from the beginning. Strategic brand management process is important for creating and sustaining the brand equity. It means you need to be careful right from the beginning, right from the first step. That is what we always learn in management, that is planning. So develop a strategy that is successfully sustained. You need to sustain for a longer period of time, for a many number of years. Sustain or improves the brand awareness, strengthen brand associations, emphasizes brand quality and utilization is a part of brand management. So these are all the components of the brand. So you need to be remember these all the words, associations, brand associations. We will learn it in detail next. All right, so here there are ultimately four steps: 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are four steps, major four steps. Please ratta maar le, please memorize it forever. First is identifying and establishing the brand positioning and its values, and then you need to design and implementing the brand marketing programs. You need to develop the marketing programs and techniques. How will you proceed in your whatever the thing you already have learned or identify the brand positioning in your earlier step. Now third one is you need to measure and interpret the brand performance. Once you plan here and then you already implement it, एंड नाउ यू नीड टू मेजर इट. हम करेक्टिव एक्शंस लेते हैं ना, मेजर करते हैं. सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं हम लोग कंट्रोलिंग प्रोसेस में, हम एस्टैब्लिश करते हैं, फिर हम डिज़ाइन करते हैं और फिर हम मेजर भी करते हैं कोई भी चीज़ को, कि मेजरिंग एंड इंटरप्रिटिंग द ब्रांड परफॉर्मेंस इन द थर्ड स्टेप. And now at the end, fourth step is growing and sustaining brand equity. Ultimately you need to manage the brand over a period of time. This is the whole process of strategic brand management. Now here one diagram is given and some sub points are there. So please ये पूरा का पूरा जो चार्ट यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू अगर आपको पूछते हैं, इफ there may be So questions like explain the strategic brand management process, then you need to write these all. जैसा कि मैंने 4 steps आगे आपको बताए हैं, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and last is 4. These are the 4 steps. The first one is identifying and establishing brand positioning and values. Under that, what points we need to cover and understand? First of all, there is a mental map. Then the competitive frame of reference, you need to develop that. Points of difference and points of parity, then core brand association, and at the end, in this first step, brand mantra, you need to set all these 5 criterias in a very initial step, a very first step. When any company need to manage and they wish to manage the brand, then they start from somewhere. So firstly, they need to identify and establish the brand positioning. I hope you all understand this very simply. Okay, so one by one we will learn all 4 steps in detail, one by one. आपका जो भी डाउट है वो आने वाले डिस्कशन में बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाएगा, और अगर नहीं होता है तो वी विल have some live sessions, so you can ask me any doubt into that doubt session. All right, so let's move to the first step, that is identifying and establishing the brand positioning and its values. The first step of the strategic brand management process, so this is a very first step, as you all know, starts with a clear and concise understanding of what the brand is to represent and how it should be positioned with respect to the competitors. They need to consider what exactly the prevailing competition in the market, what kind of the competition they need to face, and they should make the strategy by considering these aspects. And ultimately they then take the positions. We learn somewhere in positioning, हमने सीखा था STP strategy, यानी कि segmenting, targeting and positioning. So now see here it is related term, that is positioning. So what is brand positioning? Brand positioning is defined as the act, एक ऐसा कोई act है, act of designing the company's offer and image so that it occupies a distinct, यानी कि बहुत ही यूनिक, बहुत ही डिफरेंट, डिस्टिंक्ट एंड वैल्यू place in the target consumer's mind, in the mind of your target consumer. This is the image you try to create, and ultimately you try to position your brand. All right, so under that we uh, already observe in the diagram. First is the first A, यानी कि mental map. What is mental map? Mental map is a visual depiction or point of view perception of the various associations linked to the brand in the consumer's mind. You need to be very carefully design this so that people have a unique brand image into their own mind. Whenever you take some names like Apple, like Nokia, whatever the brand, like Tata, like another Samsung, or like LG, like Nike, और many other brands. The mental map is a visual, आपको कुछ उसमें दिखाई देगा. You have an image in your mind. Okay, in your mind you have a very different image in your mind, that is called mental map. And we already have discussed about the point of difference and point of parity in our SY session, but even let's ओवरव्यू दिस पॉइंट्स ऑफ डिफरेंस. आपको अपनी ब्रांड जब आप लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं, या आप कुछ सोच रहे हैं, आप डिज़ाइन कर रहे हैं वेरी इनिशियल स्टेज में, जब आप एस्टाब्लिश करना चाहते हैं या आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, उस वक्त पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस को ध्यान में रखना ज़रूरी है. इट कन्वीन्स the consumers about the attributes or benefits that consumers strongly associate with the brand and believe that they could not find the same in the competitor's brand. One example I would like to discuss here, आपको अगर कोई टूथपेस्ट लेना है तो कोलगेट की नाम आप ले सकते हैं, या तो आप कोई भी पेप्सोडेंट का नाम ले सकते हैं। तो देखिए पेप्सोडेंट और कोलगेट दोनों ही एक ब्रांड है, राइट। तो पॉइंट्स ऑफ डिफरेंस, इवन पीपल विश टू गो along with some particular brand because they believe that they could not find the same in the competitor's brand. That's why the company always be careful about the points of difference. All right, and now here points of parity. पैरिटी का मतलब होता है इक्वालिटी यानी कि समानता। प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफरिंग दैट इज लार्जली सिमिलर to the offering is like competitors leading consumers to believe that brand is good enough to be included in the category। जो उनको चाहिए वो चाहे कोई और ब्रांड लेगा तो भी वो उनको यहाँ पर मिल जाएगा। दैट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ पैरिटी। एंड द नेक्स्ट वन सी, वन का सी, राइट, दैट इज कोर ब्रांड एसोसिएशन, subset of association that is to say both benefits and attributes which best categorize the brand। so you have to create some associations like हम heritage ऐसा बोलते हैं तो हम जैसे कि भावनगर वाले सेठ ब्रदर्स का कायम चूर्ण, ऐसा तो you have some associations with your brand। now let's discuss last one, that is brand mantra। brand mantra is a short 3 or 5 word phrase, एक ऐसा phrase that captures the irrefutable essence or spirit of the brand positioning। It's similar to the brand essence or the core brand promise। It is also known as the brand DNA। आपको एक ब्रांड मंत्र क्रिएट करना चाहिए जिससे कि क्या होता है कि पीपल विल ट्रस्ट योर ब्रांड एंड अल्टीमेटली दे फॉल इनटू लव विथ योर ब्रांड। अल्टीमेटली वन पर्टिकुलर थिंग जो किसी और के पास नहीं है वो आपके पास ज़रूर से है। दैट इज दी पर्टिकुलरली वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट एज ही brand mantra। okay, I hope you all understand this well, and next one we'll discuss in our next video। all right, thank you so much।